Well, Japan's new search for rare earths is taking place around a tiny little island called Minami Torishima, which is actually part of Tokyo City, but it's nowhere near where I'm standing here today on the edge of Tokyo Bay. It's actually 2,000 kilometers from here, far out in the Pacific. Last year, Japanese scientists took samples from the seabed near that island, more than 5,000 meters below sea level, and they found what they believe are deposits of a rare earth called dysprosium. They think there may be as much as 200 years' supply of this rare element down on the seabed there. Obviously very difficult to get to. Now, why is there so much fuss about this? Well, it's because rare earths are very valuable and useful in many high-tech products, particularly in the production of miniature, high-powered magnets that are used in electrical motors in things like hybrid cars and electrical cars. So very valuable to Japanese industry. And the other reason is because at the moment one country controls 95% of the world market in rare earths, and that country is China. So this is creating a monopolistic position for China. It can set the prices and it can control the supply. And many countries, including Japan, are concerned by that. And it's setting off something of a gold rush, or maybe I should say mud rush, in the search for rare earths elsewhere in the world. And of course, Japan in particular is concerned about China cutting off the supply of rare earths, because Japan and China are locked in a very acrimonious territorial dispute over these islands in the East China Sea. And back 3 years ago in 2010, the last time they had an argument over those islands, China did, in fact, without warning, cut off the supply of rare earths to Japan for several months, caused a lot of problems for Japanese industry, and so Japan, understandably, wants its own supply of these very valuable products.